Hello developers. In this video, we will discuss about push method and pop method. So firstly, we will discuss about push method. So push method adds one or more elements to the end of an array and returns the new length of array. So the use case is, suppose we have a list of items and we want to add a new item to the end of that list. So in that case, we will use push method. So one basic example is, so let's define an array of colors. Array of colors. Okay, like colors equals to, let's make it an array: red, green, blue. Okay, so we will use push method, push, to add a new color at the end of the array. Okay, so colors dot push. Suppose we want to add yellow color at the end of this array. Okay, so now we will output the updated array. Console colors. So what will be the output? This yellow color will be added at the end of the array. See, yellow. So in the terminal we got the output as red, green, blue and yellow. Okay. So here we have an array called colors with the three initial items, that is red, green and blue, and we have used colors.push to add yellow color to the end of array. So the push method modifies the color array. So when we log it, we see yellow color is added at the end of the array. Okay. So now comes to the pop method. So pop method removes the last element from an array and returns that element. Okay. So suppose we have this array, colors red, green. We will comment this code. Okay. So now we will use pop to remove the last color from array. Color from array. Okay. So what is the last color? Blue. If we use pop method, then this blue color will be removed from the array. So colors dot pop. Okay. Now we will do console colors. Colors. So this colors.pop, we will store it in some variable. Let removed color, colors.pop. So if we console this, what will color contains? Red and green. Red and green, because blue will be removed. Okay. So this colors.pop will remove blue color from the array list and will store that blue color in removed color variable. So we will console that it to console removed color. So it will output as blue. We will check it in the terminal. See, the output is red and green and second one is blue. Okay. So we start with the colors array that includes red, green and blue. So by calling the colors.pop method, we have removed the last element, that is blue. So pop method will returns the removed element. So removed color will store blue. Okay. And this colors array will be red and green because blue is removed from the original array. So this is the concept of pop method. So why we use pop method and what is the use case? So imagine we are implementing a undo feature. So where the user's last choice get removed if they use pop method. So pop method is used in case of undo feature where we have to remove the most recent addition from the list. So this is the concept of push pop method in JavaScript.